Good morning, my dear children. In our previous class, you learned about lesson What is a bird? Today, we are going to learn write true or false, answer in one or two words, read the lines and answer the questions. Okay, children, first you learn about write true or false. The first one evening, the grandpa took his grandchildren to a park. The first one is a false. Okay, children, the one evening the grandpa took his grandchildren to a park. This is the first one is a false. The second one, Megha said that all birds fly. Megha said that all birds fly. Second one is a true. Third one, grandpa encouraged the children to think. Third one the true. And all birds make nests and lay eggs. This one false. Not all birds make nest and lay eggs. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇ ಎಗ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ birds. Fifth one is a true. Okay, children, the first one is a false. One evening, grandpa took his grandchildren to a park. No, the grandpa, one morning, he was walking in the park with the children. Yes, the first one is a false. The second one is a Megha said that all birds fly. True. The grandpa encouraged the children to think. True. And fourth one, all birds make nest and lay eggs. False. And fifth one, some insects have a wings like birds. True. Okay, children, you understood, no? Write true or false. Next, you learn about answer in one or two words. The first one, name two birds that do not fly. The name two birds that do not fly. Penguins and kiwis. The penguins and kiwis birds flightless birds alva. ಇವೆರಡು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ? ದ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ. ಎಸ್, ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳಲ್ವಾ. The wings is common between a bird and a butterfly. And third one, what is snout also known as? The snout is also known as a beak. Okay, children, next you learn about read the lines and answer the questions. The first one, the question is not as easy as it seems. The first one, A1, who said this? Who said this? No, these words ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು? Sasha said this. Who said this? Sasha said this. And second one, what is the questions? What is the questions? The question is, what makes a bird a bird? The question is, what makes a bird a bird? Next, C1. Why is it not easy? Because that thought that birds are birds because they fly and lay eggs is not true. Because the thought that birds are birds because they fly and lay eggs is not true. There are birds that do not fly and insects that have a wings and lay eggs. Next one, the second one. Second, you tell us the answer, Grandpa. Who said this? No, these words Megha said this. You tell us the answer, Grandpa. Next, B1, why did the speaker ask Grandpa to answer it? She asked Grandpa to answer because she could not think of a correct answer. And next one, seventh, why did Grandpa not answer the question? The Grandpa did not answer the question because he wanted the children to think and find the answer themselves. Okay, children, you learn and write true or false and answer in 1 or 2 words. Read the lines, write in your classwork notebook. Keep learning. Thank you.